Good morning from around the house with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to make some tuna pasta salad so we can have later on today. What I'm using is, I'm using some shells. I'm using sweet peas, 2 eggs, onion, a couple of ribs of celery, and my tuna today is albacore tuna. I like this tuna simply because it's not packed in water or oil or anything, so you don't have to drain it. But if you do use just your regular tuna, make sure you drain it. But this is some that you do not have to drain, and we've just always liked it, so this is what we're using today. And then I've got some pickles. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I have to do is I have to cook my pasta. And I'm going to boil my 2 eggs for 13 minutes on the 2 eggs, and just cook the pasta until it's done. So we'll get started. Of course, the first thing you do is you put the pasta in a bowl, pot, not a bowl, I'm sorry. Add water to it. We'll also take 2 eggs. Put it in a pot, cover them with water, put them on the stove and cook them for 13 minutes. That way when you cook them 13 minutes, they're done and they're easy to shell. And remember, if you're going to boil eggs for anything and you want to peel them for like salads or deviled eggs, try to make your eggs be at least a day old from the store. Put them in the refrigerator, and they'll be a lot easier to peel. Now while my noodles are cooking, I'm going to chop up 1/4 a cup of onions and 1/4 a cup of celery. Not quite as little. I like it diced little because to me it doesn't seem like the celery is so overpowering. If you can get red Valdea onions, they are really good. These happen just to be sweet yellow onions. It's what I had in the refrigerator, so I'm one of those that whatever I've got is what I use. I don't run out to the store and buy many things at just spur of the moment. If I decide I'm going to cook something other, I usually make a list and do 2 or 3 ingredients, and when I'm in the store just pick them up. But as for deciding I'm going to do this and go I got to stop and go to the store, I very seldom do that. Okay, that's 1/4 a cup of onions. And we're all set for the noodles. Okay, don't forget that when your eggs get done, make sure you put them in some water with a little bit of ice. The ice is what will help them peel real good. They need to be cold. Doesn't take it very long for it to chill down. Okay, it appears that my noodles are done, or about done. As you can see, I've got them cooking. I think they're about done. The last minute or 2 that your noodles are cooking, take your green peas and just pour in there. And let it cook for maybe another minute. When it comes back full, because you want your peas a little done, but you do not want them completely done because you want them to have a little bit of crunch to them. And while that's coming back to a boil, I'm going to peel my eggs. My eggs are nice and cool. So all I do is crack them. And as you can see, they do peel easy. Always rinse them off. There's one of them. I sort of crunch the shell once I crack it. It just makes it easier. There's the second one. Cut off the eye and pour the noodles and the peas in a pot and let them be draining. Ooh, there we go. As you can see, looks pretty good already. Now I'll add the tuna. Now I did not, it says not to drain the tuna on this brand, but on anything else you would definitely drain it. After you get that in there, take your hand and sort of break it all up. You know, this doesn't seem like a whole lot of tuna in there. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to open one more can of tuna and put in there and just use 2 cans. So hold on just a moment. I've added the mayonnaise and I've stirred it all up. I've got it a little bit wet. Some people may like it drier, but I like mine to be a little moist. Okay, here's your finished product. You've got a bowl of pasta noodles, tuna pasta noodle, and I've already got me a plate ready to eat. Now I like crackers with mine, and we're ready to see how it is. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. And please come back again to see Around the House with Kay and Tom. He would greatly be pleased at any comments that you would have made, and I know I am. So come back to see us again and have a real good day. Bye.